Jake.
Hello. Why are you such a stuck?
Oh, you're kind of stuck in there, aren't you?
Yeah. I have 76 stops, 88 packages.
I've been complaining about the order of all my stops.
Oh yeah,
it just says so. How do you feel about the order and grouping?
Don't rescue me. No.
How many stops you got?
76.
I got 73.
Okay. We'll still be back recording. Yeah. Oh yeah, I know you will.
Smoking a cig in the snow.
Nothing like it.
Takes me back to my Vermont times.
All right. Got to push, push, push. There you go. Oh yeah, try again. Come, go forward, go forward. Go, push. There you go. Woo!
I feel like I'm going to be putting it in first gear a lot today.
You call my jack, man? My shit's been in the office since 7:30. All right, cool.
Oh, headshot! You saw that? Wasn't me. It wasn't me.
Mike.
It wasn't me.
Mike.
Oh, yo, I'm too good at this. What happened? Oh. Yeah. All right, folks, welcome to New York, mid-December. Finally got our first real snowstorm. So this should be fun. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, and enjoy yourself. I would much rather be sitting at home watching YouTube with a nice cup of hot chocolate and a nice stack of chocolate chip pancakes. And I know, I'm being a little wussy because I only live in New York and some of you northerners living in Vermont and Maine just laughing at me. I get it. But at the same time, it's harder for us because our snowstorms are very volatile. Last year we didn't get any snowstorms, maybe like one, and it wasn't like this, so we're unprepared. Ooh, I don't want to get stuck like this van. Okay. Woo, woo, woo. Oh, cool. I tripped. I'm embarrassed. Hope no one saw that. Safety. There we go. Oh, here we go. Woo. Oh, yes. I am the god of ice and wind. Oh, shit. Whoops. Oh, yes. Bezos would be proud. Oh, no. No. Don't get stuck. Don't get stuck. Don't get stuck. I'm stuck. I need a caffeinated beverage. Come on, van. Please work with me. F you. Just go forward, just go forward, just go forward, just go forward. Oh yes. Oh, yes. It's a beautiful morning. Not really. GoPro's on my head for my safety. Damn it. Nope, not climbing that. That's right, people. Amazon is here to save you. Woo! Oh, they watching me. Shit. Nope. Nope. Whoa. Ow. Caution, slippery. I'm halfway through my route and it looks like the roads are actually finally starting to clear up. This is quite nice now. Oh shit. Whoa. Nobody saw that. I need a candy bar. That's better. I feel like I'm in Austin Powers. Perfect. Not really, not really, not really, not really, not really. What am I stuck on? Not like this. There we go. Finally, it happened. And I don't have a shovel. Don't tell me I don't have a shovel. Don't tell me I don't have a shovel. Uh-oh. Oh yes, found a shovel. Please tell me I have some sort of grips. Shh. Oh, yes. There we go. Who did this? What are you looking at? It worked. These things actually work. And this is my last, boom, last stop complete.
Drop carefully. We'll see you soon, my guy.
All right, see you.
Yes, sir.